Hey everyone. Today we are going to be talking about our integrated support system for your customers, drivers, and restaurants. So what this allows you to do is allows you to either text or call your existing customers or new customers, as well as drivers and restaurants, and quickly answer to calls and messages. So the way you're going to do this is once you purchase our smart support package, you will be able to have this feature added to your admin backend. Now, this is going to show up once you access your dispatch screen, and from here, you'll be able to click on this little headset right here. So if I click on it, you will see a couple of different things. So we have a dashboard, our recent missed calls, our recent calls, and we have our chat for text messages. On the top left, we are going to see a admin, which I'm logged in right now with my test admin account. This will be the user's name. Now, under that, they will be able to change their status if you have your staff members. If they need to be available, the status will automatically go to busy if they're answering a call, and then unavailable will remove them from the list of agents that you can see down here. Now, from here, there are three major things that you should worry about. You should worry about the dashboard. You should worry about this tab right here, which lets you enter an order number. And then we also have this field on the top right, which lets us quickly text or call a phone number. So let's just go over it here. So if I go here and I type in an order number, right? So let's just type in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we click view, we will quickly be able to see a order that was executed a while ago, and we will be able to see what this customer ordered, who the customer is, their contact information, and all of those different things. Now, this is useful once a client calls you and they're inquiring about an order, or a restaurant calls you, or a driver calls you. You can quickly look up the order just by them giving you the order number, and you can quickly access the information you need to solve the problem, whichever it is. So another cool thing that we can do is we can call a customer or the restaurant directly from the order that we looked up. So if we click on this number here, once we click it, it's going to show up on the top right, and now it will start dialing from the smart support. Now, in this case, we're not going to push that call off. We're just going to cancel it because it's for testing purposes. Now from here, we'll be able to text or dial. So if I go here and I type in my number, I will text first. So if we click text, you can type in anything here. I will type test, and then from my phone number, I will be able to answer this message. So once we send a test, I will be able to respond to this text message right back, and we should see a text pop up right here. And as you can see, my name popped up here, and we have a response right away. Now, from here, we will be able to also dial this number. So if I click dial, we will see that my phone is going to ring. There we go. And now I have a phone number calling me. So if I answer this, there we go. I'm going to be able to talk to this phone number, and if I need to put it on hold, I can do just that. If I click on here, I will click hold, and now I can take action and basically work on anything that I need to do. So if I need to put this customer on hold and tell them, hey, we will solve this issue for you, I can from here go back to the dashboard, and I will still have this call in my queue on hold, and then I can call the restaurant, or I can call the driver and solve the issue, whatever it is, and then I can click take again, which will put me back into this phone call. It will unhold the customer, and then I can explain what happened, what the resolution to the problem is, and move on from there. So I will close this phone call right now. I will X out of it, and then we'll be able to see that now we have a queue that is empty, and then you will also have incoming queue and global queue. Now, what we're going to cover is these fields right here. So these are priority, calls. Priority means any unknown customers or calls that need to be taken first. So the oldest calls are going to be populated on top. Then we have driver, customer, restaurant, and then we have missed. So you will probably not see the unknown and hotbox because this is going to be a test environment for us. And then from here we can go to recent missed calls, and we can also go to recent calls and see exactly who we talked to and for how long. Now, another thing that's important under the agent status is going to be the fact that you have current user position. So you can see here that we have dispatchers and placers and CSRs and utility and all these different roles you can utilize in your business, and you can handle it however you would like to. And it will let you know exactly on what position your staff is currently at. So you can see that I'm currently busy because my status is currently busy because I was answering a phone call. But if I click unavailable, for example, you will see that I will disappear automatically from the list. And if I go and make myself available again, I will be available right here. So this is a great, efficient way to handle your customer support service. And then there is one more thing that we can take a look at, and that is going to be accessing customer support through our dispatch screen. So if I click on any of these chat bubbles right here, right next to these customers, if I click into any of those, I will click on this one, for example, we will open up automatically. We will open up a text field for this customer, and you can quickly text them and let them know if there's any issues. Their number is going to populate on the top right as well, so you can quickly dial their number also. So that is all. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you are not a part of Deliver Club, your feature will be available right away. If you are a part of Deliver Club, there are going to be some manual steps that we will have to take before you can access this feature fully. And as I said, any questions, let us know in Slack or email us, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.